Hi everyone, it's Cindy with Cricut the Heart, and I'm back with some more card shares. And so I have been desperately seeking summer, so I decided to do some summer-inspired cards. It has been so cold and like overcast here in Southern California that I think it's been raining a little bit overnight, but during the day there's no rain, but it looks like it's going to rain at any moment. So it's been just really dreary, no sun at all. And I know that there is, at least for me, 17 more work days until summer vacation. So I'm just kind of counting down. So I decided to use this Summer Party by Echo Park because kind of on a mission to kill this paper pad because I don't have too much left. So there'll probably be a part 2 to this video at some point. So I made 3 cards that are summer inspired using the Summer Party Echo Park. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first card uses this Not Too Shabby stamp set. Don't know what it's called. Let's see. Oh, Yay Lemonade. That's what this one is called. Super, super cute, like kind of has that kawaii look to it. And so in that Summer Party, there's this lemonade or lemon paper. So I use that as my inspiration to do my little lemonade stand. And I just stamped it out and used my cat scrappiness dies and some stickles and just some Copics. And so that's my first card. It's very cute. And then this one, I've had this stamp set for a while. This is actually the first time I think I've used it because all my dies were all put together still, so I don't think I've used this yet. First time. So this is called Flamingo Together, and it's by Lawn Fawn. I gotta be careful because I don't have a magnet sheet back here, so I need to make sure to put one on there so I don't lose my little dies. And so here's my card. And so also in that Echo Park paper pad, they have this really cool flamingo paper. And then all I did was stamp the flamingo on a piece of this dotted paper and use the die to cut it out. And then it says Flamingo Together. And then I have 2 of these cute Michael's puffy hearts that I really like. So that's my next card. And then my last card uses penny pineapples. This one is from Your Next Stamp. And here is my card using the pineapple paper as inspiration. I think it's so cute. This one says, It's Your Day, and then inside it says, Party Like a Pineapple. So here are my 3 fun, simple summer cards. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Cricut the Heart.